Ready to move in? Put away your tools. This is a home with a world of possibilities. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been fully modernized and meticulously updated, boasting with improved electrical and plumbing systems, double-pane windows, amazing cabinets, a stylishly updated kitchen, and upgraded bathrooms. Step outside and you will discover the true gem of this property, a sprawling multi-use lot. Imagine hosting an unforgettable gathering, cultivating vibrant gardens, or having the perfect space for pets to roam. With a long gated driveway that can accommodate 4 or more cars. You have plenty of off-street parking. This oversized lot also represents a unique opportunity to build an ADU for rental income or multi-generational living beyond the main house. A detached finished garage offers a world of its own, complete with fresh paint, lighting, and drywall. It's an ideal spot for a home office, a game room, a media room, or even a home theater. The choice is yours.